I'm trying to show you part 1 of reflection and refraction lab. So we put a piece of paper on top of this cardboard, and then we just pin it to the cardboard so it doesn't move. Then we're going to draw a line, as the instruction says, about 1/3 of the paper from the top portion. So I draw a straight line here. So I make this part, this edge, parallel to the edge of the paper. So now I draw this line, this horizontal line. Then I take one point at the mid point of this line. Then I draw a perpendicular line. Again, if I want to draw a perpendicular line, what I can do, I can make this edge aligned with this line. So this is aligned with this line. Or even we can make the exact 90 degrees. How about we do that? So I use a protractor. I put this hole on top of this dot that I selected on this line, and make this line, the line of protractor. You see that this line, I make it again along this line that we have on the paper. So we put these two next to each other, and then I have 90 degrees. I mark it. At the same time, I need 30 degrees. So I mark this 10, 20, 30. This is 30 degrees. So I put 30 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Make sure we do not forget. Then we have 45. So this is 45. And then we have 50. Then this is 60 degrees. So we have these points. So what we're going to do, we're going to just take our ruler and connect this midpoint to 90 degrees. This is our normal line. Normal means perpendicular. Normal line means perpendicular line. So this means perpendicular line. Maybe my spelling is wrong. Perpendicular line to this line. So that's called normal line. Then I connect from the same point to 30 degrees. This point that we selected at 30 degrees. So this angle is 30 degrees here. And then we connect this one to this point. And this is 45. And so this angle is 45 from here to here. And then I connect from here to this 60. So this is our 60 degrees. From here to here is 60 degrees. Okay, now we have this ready. We need to put our mirror at this point. First of all, I can just put 2 pins. First, we put it on 30 degrees. And even though the instruction says put it at 20 centimeters or 10 centimeters, it's fine. I can put it like a kind of randomly. I can randomly pick 2 points and put it here. So maybe 5 and 10 centimeters. This is about 5 and 10 centimeters to this point. Now we are ready to put our mirror. So we find a heavy mass, and I put this heavy mass. So I lean this mirror against this heavy mass. And I try to make it stay and be perpendicular. It's good to use another pin, at least one more pin, to stabilize it at its position. So I'm going to just maybe put this pin maybe here. Okay, a little bit is far. Even I don't need that. You see that? I can remove it because it doesn't do anything. Okay, now that's our mirror. So now that we have our mirror fixed, push it a little bit to the right, half on this side, half on that side. Okay, now I look through this, and now what I'm going to do for 30 degrees, I'm going to use the green color, so this way I can see exactly the line for 30 degrees. Look at here. When you look at this, you see that I try to look at this green pencil should be exactly along this line. You see that this line, which is the image of this line in the mirror, or the image of these 2 pins in the mirror. So we put this here, and I try to, that's okay. I try to draw a line exactly along that. I hope I do not make mistake. Let's see. I'm sure that I'm going to have some error, but that's fine. So I'm going to draw this. Oh, this broke. So I use blue. So that's one of my line. So I use blue for 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Now I do the same thing. Now I move this to from here and put it on 60 degrees. I'm sorry, this is 45. For 45, one more time, I look in the mirror and try to draw a line which is exactly a continuation of this line in the mirror and along the two pins. So I try my best to draw a line that is along. So again, I draw this line. This is for 45 degrees. If we have error, maybe you can be more accurate and not having as many as error I have. Now we move this to 60 degrees here, these two pins. And again, look in the mirror. Now I see this line is here, the two pins on this side. Maybe I need to just change my position to be able to draw the line exactly along that. So that's my best guess. So that's for 60 degrees. Okay, now we are done. Actually, these are the incident rays. These are the rays that they're moving from pins to the mirror, and these are the reflected rays reflecting from the surface of the mirror. Now let's remove everything. We remove all this stuff, and now we measure these angles that we have on this side. This one was 30 degrees, which is with blue, the blue color. And let's see how much we have on this side. Again, I put this hole on top of that dot that we had. And I hope I have everything right. That's 90. Okay, let's see what we have. We have 10, 20, 30. We have 33. That's fine. We are just 3 degrees off. It should be 30 degrees, but now it's 33. It's okay. That's our error. And now let's see how about this orange. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50. So this is 5 degrees off. So that's 50, which actually should be 45 degrees. And now let's look at the green one. Is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's 64. Again, it's okay, 4 degrees off. So as you see, we expect to have the theta I the same as theta R. The incident angle should be the same as reflection angle, but we are a couple of degrees off, and it's okay because, you know, of the way that we look in the mirror, and we are not able exactly draw the line which is a continuation of the image in the mirror. That's first part. Now we're going to move to second part. Thank you.